Welcome to our Snapchat tutorial on how to unpin someone on Snapchat with the latest updates. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Opening the Snapchat app on your Android device allows you to access the platform and its various features. Step 2. Swiping right from the camera screen to the chat screen enables you to switch from the camera function to view your conversations. Step 3. Pressing and holding on the friend's name or group initiates a menu of options related to that specific conversation. Step 4. Tapping on chat settings within the options menu grants you access to additional settings for the chosen conversation. Step 5. Selecting Unpin Conversation. Within the chat settings allows you to remove the pinned status and reorganize the conversation on your chat screen. Unpinning conversations on Snapchat is a great way to keep your chats organized and easily accessible. Remember, you can always revisit this tutorial if you need a quick refresher. Stay tuned for more Snapchat tips and tricks. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to unpin someone on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy snapping!